Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I, the first, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. You know, see, we want to welcome our viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make you grow the platform. Next thing I'm going to say is that first thing that everybody mind when them see the thumbnail is that this outer eye and eye, you know me I say, concerned, they should be, you know, see, but more than anything else, not more than anything else, but in a big way, I sure know what concern we too. You know, see, because watch the draft, seeing, expects an international movement who develop themselves based on abuse. Feminist movement we are talking about, see? It's based on unequal treatment and abuse, see? So you expect a group, they know I go stand up for any group, or, you know, me I say, whenever them observe level of abuse are going to the group there, based on for them experience, you know, see? If you suffer a certain way, you know how it feels, so you don't want that suffering there for nobody else, see? So we observe, so with Johnie Depp and Amber Heard trial, we are going. Even during the whole process, when them approve, the court of law approves, say, the woman story shaky, and the crowd start support the man where them perceived to be innocent, according to the evidence of them see in a court. You still have the movement. I said, no, because and by this discovery, the crowd now turn against the woman and start boo her, and the media and everybody, I saw it go. We live in a media world where them get for them popularity offer, and them use the same media for enhance and maintain. This is a tool where them use for enter in a people's mind and persuade people as well. So when people use it, it's people's resource as well. It's a everybody thing and not just for them alone. You know, see it. So when I don't forget criticism, when I don't deserve it, I don't forget it. We notice the movement that come out and I say it's unfair, the abuse where she get and things like that. I mean, who put themselves in that position? You see, rather than the movement stand up for its own credibility and call out these people who abuse, who use the term or the operation where them work off of them agenda then. Equality for women. People who, because it's accepted worldwide and is given prominence. See? People use it as criminals, as a matter of fact, use it as a way for escape scrutiny. See? And based on the delicacy of the situation, it's harder for people outside of the movement call out certain things without being abused by the movement. As you can see, it's proven. The court proved the woman's story shaky. The crowd turned against her and the movement turned against the crowd. We support them and put them with them there. This is before the verdict was announced. You understand what I said? Then after the verdict, she was proven guilty. Yeah? And the whole thing. Quiet silence. You know, the movement try defend integrity, call out people like them there, and, you know, make them feel, you know, dissuade them from using them thing to them own advantage to further pursue them own aim and game. In most cases, monetary. In this case, it's for financial gains. You know, see, one bag of trickery with a woman who promised say she had to turn over a certain amount of money to charity, where it's never happened in the end. And possibly if it never come to court, where it come to public like this, you don't never hear say the money, you don't ever hear anything about it. You know, see, now, because of this, she couldn't turn over the money. And now, after the verdict, she said she broke, she can't pay what the court say. I mean, where the justice there, where the balance there. You see, this kind of lead me to feel say a group just want to be as powerful, have power to be as abusive as the group where them a challenge. Them just want, it's a competition. You know, see, if we run things, it's not like so well then we want to say equality and we want to say civil order and them things. No. And at that, I say I go on and say, yeah, yeah. You know, see it, Rasta? The feminists, them need to step up and call out a girl and make a girl know, say, a girl, don't try that again with the thing. And the other girl, them who want to try it, no say, hey, I want to now have our support. We all do our own due diligence too. You see it? I mean, if we are going to go against what the court of law observe, Rasta, what is being established daily in a court of law. If we are going to go against that and have our own opinion on the side, we must have an experience of this being the case, and also, you know, evidence for sure say the allegations or accusation in a court is different from such. You know, see, video show woman stir up man vibes. That's him as him soon as him reach home, him have to turn back out of the house and gone. And as him gone, crowd a man, like a party. Friend at this, oh, you gonna carry. With the morality there, that is demanded of this group, where is the standard demanded of this group by its members, Rasta? Is it a free-for-all? Wasn't there a standard where the family dwell by, where a couple dwell by? Is it okay for a woman to have somebody then will turn out to be a lover after the breakup? Have that person come over your yard over 300 times in the house where, in the man house as a matter of fact. In the man house. And them revelation are happening in a court. And you still find a so-called reputable group standing in defense of whatever punishment come in another woman and we Rasta, because the reaction of the crowd are part of the punishment too, you know. You know, see. You know, see, but it's like that's not the case. We in a society where the leader them, a leader for ego. Mother justice, the balance of justice is not the aim. You know, see, because even the female them catch the fever and I push the agenda they took Rasta. You know, see, with the standard there, that's demand of the character where you're going to put, where you're going to jeopardize your character for. Is there no standard that's demand? You know, see, are we prepared to accept anything? Given the fact that we are traumatized by our past. Is that the case in this case? And how comes this remedy or this consideration is not applied to every group across the board who have suffered traumas from their past? You see, we not gravitate them level here. We not full stand them imbalance here, Rasta. You know, see, particularly from the gender that's got most influence on our future. You know, see, particularly from the gender where our future get to observe the most, get to spend the most time with. You know, see it. Role models. Mothers are the main role model for us all Rasta. You know, see it. And if the woman, watch her, I idiot thing that man, you know, see it, and it defeat your own purpose. You know, see it. All goes show so when things don't go your way, you prepare to throw your rattle out of your pram and throw a tantrum publicly. You know, see it. That's what I see go on right here, so. Now the involvement with all of that is that's part of the strength. A big part of the strength and support where the group you have come from our community. See? And it's models and principles like them here that is causing major damage within the family aspect of our society. It's like the motherly role, that energy that's supposed to be, a pure energy was supposed to be generated by the mother in constructing formidable contributors to society, Rasta. That which is missing, you see, that which is missing is being facilitated by these groups, these selfish, self-agenda group, who the purveyors mainly go home and be a standard wife and model and model to feed them family, because this is how you generate a certain level of balance amongst the human them where you create. You have to model it. Even when, you know, in the vibes is a duty where you pick up from the moment you decide, say, I gotta grow a human being, Rasta. You know, see it. You know, see it. And who more thirsty and is gonna be abusive without moderated, trained managerial skill in power management? Who are gonna be more abusive than people who, you know, has been removed from this, you know, thing? Y'all give back black woman power now over everybody and everything in the black community. Because once you become a member of these groups, you are no longer so susceptible to the usual threats we abide in the vast majority of the community. You just become a member of the LGBTQ community and things like that. If you get a LGBTQ man, black man, got any airport or walk down the street, you know, and police profile black people all them want. You never get them look at them give the LGBTQ man, black man, the same treatment as long as he is identifiable and things like that. The same treatment like where anybody else in a society would get, regardless of race. You know, see, in a different class. It's the same with the feminist movement. Right now, you know me I say, you have a different approach towards how the law applies itself or consider females in general because of the feminist movement. You understand what I say? It's like it mostly now, you see, because of that defense, it's like whatever a woman say goes or should goes due to the force, the aggressive force where the feminist movement can apply to pursue them likings. You understand what I say? Even if it's not there, if them not believe it, them can like liar. like media. You know, see, like them can call down judgment pan a judge. Make a judge afraid if judge him thing. You know, see, them power there, them recognition there, them have black group, no, you know, some no black community now have no such strength, no group, no nothing. Now have no such influence of power. You know, see it. But anyone at black community, any member, any black person join becomes a member, luckily enough, become a member of any one of these groups, they are well secured, or even more secured than the wider community at large, socially, civilly, with civility and things like that. So, you know, so it's beneficial for them to support. But the principle behind the whole thing now, where that is being adapted by them people here, it's not conducive to the situation where they themselves exist in a personally. You know, see, it's more technical, it's more psychological, it needs psychological repairs than further demands and abuse and things like that. No longer you can find a woman who's got a profile saying she's looking for somebody where the two of them can work together and become something, or put what they got together and become something. Nowadays, a woman is looking for somebody who is funny. You have to have a good job. You have to have good looking. You have to tall or short, whichever she like. You know, see, you have to fit a certain criteria that she look for. You know, see. You know, see. So, you have to essentially be a clown these days. This is the criteria of what a woman needs. This is what becomes. You know, you have to prepare for be a clown, to lift up this woman's mood whenever time she's down, no matter how you feel. You have to always be prepared to be entertaining and supportive and all of them things there. That's what men are for these days. See? So now have no problem at your work with your boss or your co-worker them. Don't feel tired. Don't none of them things there. Don't have no financial issues. And these things. Be prepared to party when she's in the mood. You know, see? Yeah, these are the requirements these days, or else stay by your own. Be a single soldier. You know, see? Can't remember what my brethren call people who love Tinder and we just get girl off of Tinder. I think is that I do a Tinder dummy. I mean, I remember what him call it. Just be one of them there, Rasta. You know, see? But without being one of that, you have to be everything when we just outline. You know, essentially a clown. You know, see? So, no disrespect, but when we see what going on the other day, you know, with the trial, Johnie Depp and his girlfriend Rasta, and then the reaction from the feminist group, you know, see, we say, wait. Rather than call out a girl, make a girl know so she will stop abusing the cars. I them still in support of the girl even after everything is proven in a Rasta, in a court. Where we are go, Rasta? Where we are go? Who not go? Well, you know, see. And I give thanks once again, and I hope I make sense. Rastafari.